There is a lot of buzz right now about the 50-year mortgage, and I'm about to jump on that bandwagon because nobody is talking about this one thing. Because the principal amount that you pay is so small. See, the reason why homeownership builds wealth, it's a two-part equation. And the first part of that equation is how much your home gains in value year after year from appreciation. The second part of that equation is the principal balance that you pay down every month as you chip away at that principal loan balance. And the 50-year mortgage, it nearly takes away the second half of that equation because the principal amount that you pay over the first 5 to 10 years of that loan is so small that unless you're able to make it up in gains in a home appreciation, you could find yourself in a situation where if you need to sell in those first 5 to 10 years, you might find out that you owe money at the closing table. Now, that doesn't mean that the 50-year mortgage is bad. It is simply a tool. And if it is the tool that you need to make homeownership real for you, then you should use it. Use every tool at your disposal. But just beware, there are some risks. And you should know those risks, and you should be aware of what your own risk tolerance is. See, if I had a home and I didn't have any equity in it and I had to move, I just rent it out. The other thing that I would do if I had a 50-year mortgage is I would make a payment directly towards the principal balance each and every month. One, that reduces the amount of interest that I pay, period. And two, it keeps me from having to bring cash out of pocket to the closing table if I decided to move before the home had enough time to build up any real equity. Know the risks, know how to mitigate those risks, and have a backup plan. That's all I'm saying. Once you've got that square in your mind, go ahead and use the 50-year mortgage if it becomes available and if it makes sense for you. You can either get your foot in the door now with a loan that is not perfect, or you can wait another 5 to 10 years renting while your landlord raises the rent every single month and you build absolutely nothing. Which works better for you?